Hey there, Bruce, Tommy here from Budget and Kilburn Cars in Manukau. Thank you very much for your deposit email inquiry in regards to our Nissan Leaf we have here for you to view. Let's go into kind of a bit of detail so you can set in. Bit of detail before you do come on in. Slight little bit of surface cracking in the headlight there. Like, I'm going to go through this in detail. This is from Waiki. A little bit scratched in here as well. I wonder if a bit of that will buff off. Might do. Tyre tread looks like about, say, 40% left there. I do like the grey colour though. Tinted rear windows, keyless entry. Slight discoloration there. Oh no, was it? No. So it must be polished or something. Anyway, that's all good. Into the passenger area. Nice dark trim interior. Silver smell. Doesn't smell like the smoky smell used to some of the imported cars. It looks like both front seats are heated as well. Actually, what is this? Oh, we've got a USB port. What's this side? Is it anything? Looks like the 100 watt, is it American plug you can use? Should we just go around in some bit of detail? What we got in here? Okay. Sweet. Close that up, jumping over here. Lots of bad space in the back. Isofix spec seats as well. Hey, just looks like you got little tweeters maybe up on the pillars. So just saw on that side over there, and over this side here as well. Okay. So you got reversing camera there as well. There's a bit of a wipe up there. Plenty of space in the back. I was not expecting that deep of a drop down. I thought some batteries in there. Do this here. I can see easy jack. And your reinflation kit there. Certainly that open anyway. A couple little marks there. Come off. What is this? I'm pretty sure that'll come off. That looks like some paint that's transferred over. What's it going on here? It's a bit of a tidy up. I think it hasn't been groomed properly yet. Look at this. Interesting. Anyway, we open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday, 9 to 5:30, Sunday from 10 till 4. Been selling cars here for decades. I mean, 4 decades now. Definitely can and will look after you. You got cruise control. What else got going on here? I don't even know what this stuff even means. Oh, so you can set to stop charging itself. Okay, that's good. You can make it completely silent with the off button there. Heated steering wheel. Height adjustable headlights as well. I do believe it's just under 80% state of health, so I think you just equate that to roughly on a bad day about 80 k's driving on the full charge. Any questions, give us a call, text or email, and hopefully we can sort something out for you. All the best and take care. See you, Brucey.